Okay. Are you going? Oh, shoot. Okay. Hello. Welcome to my house. This is yours truly, Crystal Phillips. Today we're going to be removing used motor oil from that water right there. So, you put the oil in the water. See how gross that is? Maybe a little bit more. Alright. Now, we're taking old corn shuck thingies. This is what we're going to do. We stick it in there. Agitate it. Agitation. And the theory is the corn shucks should absorb the oil. And it looks like it's working. Look at that oil on there. And what we have left is somewhat dirty, but still oil-free water.
Yay!
Woo! Thanks for watching.